How to invest in commercial real estate. One key factor for successful commercial real estate investing is identifying market trends. The commercial real estate market is quite different than the stock market, but similar investment risks and strategies still apply. The appeal of investing in this property type is multifold. Investors can generate higher investment returns and take advantage of tax benefits by investing in different asset classes or property taxes. Commercial real estate investing involves putting money forward, purchasing commercial real estate property, including office buildings, multifamily apartment buildings, hotels, malls, storage facilities, and shopping centers, among other property types. If you're interested in this type of investment, you must be committed to having the commercial real estate holding invested for the long term. Given that commercial real estate is an illiquid asset, your money may be tied up for a significant period. Illiquid investments tend to generate higher returns over time and are not subjected to daily price volatility, but some opportunities may have a higher barrier to entry. If you are looking for more liquid investment, commercial real estate may not be the best option for you. Real estate as an asset class can be a rewarding investment, but beginners should be aware of the investment risk involved with the real estate property type. Here's what you need to know about commercial real estate investing to determine if it's right for you. How to get started in commercial real estate investing, risks and rewards of commercial real estate investing. Should you invest in commercial real estate now? So, before taking the plunge into commercial real estate investing, it's important to ask yourself several questions. Investors who choose to crowd fund with a group of others should look at the track record of the firm they are investing with. Recognize fully their rights and obligation concerning withdraw or not withdraw their funds from their investment during the period of time. For those investing a single commercial property, Bartle recommends identifying unique characteristics that improve or detract from the attractiveness of the property or trends in the area that can be problematic. Many professionals in the commercial property business got their start through single family rentals, including Paul Getty, president and CEO at First Guardian Group in San Jose, California. Well, over 90% of the commercial real estate investors start with single family rentals and use it as a way to get educated, accumulate wealth, and work their way up to investing in other properties. While investing in residential real estate is much different than investing in commercial property. Building a foundation in residential real estate can prepare you for commercial property investments. Another avenue, technology is providing many new investors with varying level of experience the opportunity to get their feet wet with commercial real estate investing. Applications such as Fundrise, CrowdStreet, and other offer access to commercial real estate investment properties usually reserved exclusively in the private market to individual investors. Most of these platforms have tools and resources for learning and professional network to connect with the other real estate investment professionals. The infrastructure today that allows for real estate investing education makes it a lot easier to make good choices and avoid making mistakes. Every investment carries with it some kind of risk. In commercial real estate is no different. While the economy has been in recovery mode, the impact of the pandemic has affected some commercial properties more than others during this past year. Vacancy level rose for properties including retail, office spaces, and apartments, while others properties such as industrial and data center have performed better. But Stephen Buss, founder of Likewise Partners in Minneapolis, says long term contractual leases are an important characteristic of the commercial real estate business. When a commercial property has a long term contractual lease, you don't have to worry about near term market exposures. It's an insulator from economic volatility. Buss says the longer term they are, typically that means a higher value for the property because you have the certainty of fixed income and that creates a higher value in the marketplace. Since the value of real estate deteriorates over time, there's a tax code that allows commercial property owner to depreciate the value of the property and receive an annual income tax deduction. This allows the investor or property owner to be compensated for property improvements needed to address wear and tear as the property is used. Depreciation allows you to hold on to more of your money by saving it from taxes. For non residential properties, the IRS allows depreciation over 39 years, which can add up to significant benefits over time. Another reward that comes with commercial real estate investing is through the 1031 exchange, a tax instrument that allows capital gains to be deferred. When you sell an investment, you usually have to pay capital gains tax, but a 1031 exchange allows real estate investors to hold off on capital gains tax when selling a property to provide more capital when buying another investment property. The economic environment is poised well for commercial real estate in 2021, experts say. Getty points to a series of factors that make the current economic climate ideal to start investing in commercial real estate, particularly historically low interest rate. With relatively small amounts of money, let's say $25,000 to $50,000, you can get a lender to advance money to you, and you can buy a 2 lakh property with a small down payment. The power of leverage with low interest money is awesome because you use other people's money to help compound your money. So that's all. Thank you so much.